but in case only some of you spoke and others were always hiding in between, I know the truth will come out.
In this online session, for further topics, teachers about confidence. First of all, not English, but confidence. That confidence is most important part of speaking English.
I learned very nice when I was in an online session. But now, today, I would like to teach another.
If you have anything to clarify or ask, I am here. Otherwise, we will just pass on to the next sir.
And from that moment, I developed my skill in that field.
Others give me confidence to speak in English. Before 2 months ago, I can't within 1 minute to speak in English. Now I am trying to speak in English.
Others, we are and I am so thankful that such divine person provide from our department Nithin Bhai provide for us. Every session of your every session I have got that such a divine person come from in front of me, and we all make fresh. We all make fresh.
This is very nice session, and you teach me confidence, and I will try confidently to speak our students.
Another topic, your session is good. I try speak in English. Okay, thank you.
I accurate every sentence in wordless statement. I feel like someone come to for us and teaches us. It is great for us. Secondly, without children, we are trying to teach our college.
I lose my confidence, but I improve my confidence, and I make big small sentence and meaning different from my conversation. And now I am trying to
You can just copy me. All of you can just copy me in the beginning. Then after some time you can develop it. Now, as for now, you just copy me. How I am speaking.
and you give us one topic, and there was speak on
This is flower. This is rose flower. This color is pink and white. Pandit Nehru liked rose flower. Rose flower is like color pink.
Okay.
Fruit is very nutritious for our health.
Last speech means kirtan.
Everyone, this is comb. We use the comb every day. This is essential part of our life.